Hey guys, we're here at the garden, Ricky and I. So for today's video, come with us as we're going to harvest our corn. It's ready to harvest, guys. Finally, but Ricky's right here is still harvesting some of our peppers. Here, we got so many peppers again, guys. So we will harvest them and can them again tomorrow. We have more cans are on its way. We ordered it. Look, Ricky harvesting the sweet peppers, sweet banana peppers.
We gotta get bigger cages for the tomatoes because, as you can see, they have broken over.
We have so many ripe tomatoes. Pabla, we have so many
Look at some papers.
Wait lang, oh.
Wait, look at the papers.
Guys, all of you who wants to have tomatoes, we have bunch here. Someone that lives nearby. There, look at that. I will zoom in. Look at our tomatoes. It's also big. Blah, we need to make more salsa out of tomatoes. That we'll make it ripe.
Tomorrow we're gonna buy some chips for the salsa that we made a few days ago when we was on live. We'll try that out and let you guys know. That ain't no good. How that went. We ended up with, I think, like 16 tomatoes. We ended up making 2.5 quarts.
Yeah.
So there's a good enough pick.
There's more here.
And don't you chase me with the spider. So we're gonna harvest the cabbage here, and we're gonna make sauerkraut tomorrow.
You know that.
Those are called flat Dutch.
Oh, they have caterpillars.
That's big as you, Lubby Dubs.
Let's eat.
Step on it. There you go.
Lollipop.
I don't think you're supposed to do it like that.
Let's go.
Here you go, pick more. Just lay it down. I'll carry them.
Oh yeah, I picked these two, guys. It's ready. Lollipop is still there. We need to harvest the new corn. So these are peaches and cream. I never had this in the Philippines, but this variety is so good, guys. I swear. I will show you the color of the kernels later. So healthy. That variety is taller than me. We have another kind of beans.
Yeah, we're gonna pick. We'll harvest some of the corn here. It's sweet corn, peaches and cream. Garden. What do you think about the peaches and cream, Lubby Dubs?
Oh, it's awesome. The taste. Oh, look.
So it's her first time eating peaches and cream, and she absolutely loved it. That's a small piece.
Yeah, it's small piece, but you know, the kernels are ready to eat.
Oh yeah, there you go. Now it's good. It's ready to go.
We have a lot, guys. Look.
So that's peaches and cream, and this is big corn. We have.
Well, this is hot pepper. It might be. I might put. Ano. Well, you can take down it already. Let's see. Another moment of truth.
The bugs are so bad here. It's been raining all day, and the bugs are horrible. Yeah, you can eat that right out of the garden.
Yeah, it's sweet. Let's eat. Well, which one? Which else? Let's see. Let's choose the bigger one.
There we go. Whoa, look, sweet corn.
Makakaon nagigkoog. Mais. Oh,
Don't do me that way. Ooh.
moment of truth.
That's full.
Wow. Oh my gosh,
Need
this
some
will
help,
taste
baby?
really good because it's fresh. I think I'm gonna boil one.
You can actually break those in half and make more corn out of them.
Oh yeah.
You know, if we don't make more, it's just you ain't gotta fix as much.
Guys, I will not miss corn from my country because they can grow corn here.
Good corn.
Okay. Which else? You think that is? We'll find the one that looks big. Here. Well, you know, I'll just peel it now because I will boil this right away. Look, our corn is ready
Whoa,
to
that one's full too.
Oh my gosh, I know. I will harvest some of this and I will give it Tita DC tomorrow.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I will not peel it, of course. So, here's no.
So I know we done a horrible job in the garden as far as keeping the weeds and stuff out. But we've been busy. It's hot. And I've been with Karen spending my days with her. So next year will be different. No weird lubby dubs.
Yeah, because we'll stay
Hey.
here in the garden. Here, another one.
So Karen is going to eat some corn today. She loves this stuff. Yep. Is that all you got to say for yourself? Yep.